If you're ever traveling and you only wanted to bring one pair of shoes that is one, comfortable, breathable, and waterproof, this may be your go-to shoe slash sneaker. So say hello to the Vessi Pacific sneaker. Vessi has been around for many years. I have been testing their footwear for 5-6 years, and I love their lineup. They get better and better. And this one could be a great way to go traveling again to keep your feet dry and be comfortable, and really love the shoe. And it just rained recently, so I had a chance to finally put it to the test. We'll share that with you as well. They think about the environment and they really have a lot of happy customers. Now, if you want to check out this shoe, this is called, again, the Pacific sneaker. This is the monsoon color. I'll be sure to share my referral link in the description as well as in the comments section. Sizing wise, I went with a size 12. I went with a half a size bigger. Normally I'm right around 11 and a half. So I would suggest go up a half a size with their shoes. And if they don't work out, what's great is they have a great process where you could, try them out and send them back and then exchange them out for another pair. So not to worry about that. The material is what they call Dymatex, and it's a 100% waterproof material. And so that's what's so great is, again, you could take one pair of shoes. Now, some people might think because they're waterproof, they're going to be hot to wear. I find that they're very comfortable and even breathable with the type of material that they've designed for the uppers. It's like also a vegan material. That is one of the things that they do. And they've really done a great job with this sneaker. And what is awesome is the entire sneaker is going to keep your feet dry, which is most important. So there's no separate tongue, it's all attached. And even the part where it looks like there's a tongue, no water is going to get through there, seep through there, which is great. Now, this shoe, let me just share with you, it is a flexible shoe. For some might say that might not give them the right support, but maybe with a good orthotics, you could put that in there. So do keep that in mind. There is a little bit of a flex. Again, a nice upper material. The tongue, if you even want to call it a tongue, because it's almost like a whole booty, it's got some material that is got some padding there, right there on the top. You don't feel the tongue at all, so they've done a nice job there. And what I like in the back is they've done this interesting padded area for your Achilles, your ankles area, so it stays in place. And so that is awesome. And they also make this sneaker easy to slide on and take off. You just slip it right in, and you've got the piece here and on the tongue to slip your foot right into the sneaker and you're good to go. As far as tightening it, you'll be able to tighten it up so your foot stays on, but it's not like, where you have a tongue, a separate tongue, and then being able to really tighten that up. Here, you will be able to tighten it up pretty much, but do keep in mind, again, it's all attached on the shoe, so it's going to be a little bit different, but I don't find like my feet slip at all, again, because the back, so that's good there. You could see the tread. It's got a really good tread. It's grippy. I didn't feel like I could slip at all with it, raining outside. And so they've done a really nice job there. I find like I have to double knot the shoelace because the shoelace is a little thick. It is not really a stretchable shoelace, but it's a good shoelace that can also handle getting wet. So as far as the shoe as well, it is machine washable. You can do that. Now, if there's anything that was a little bit frustrating with the shoe is that I found the insole slipped a little bit, so I had to take it out and fix it. The good part is you can change the insole out because I find it's a little slick there on the bottom. So if the company makes it a little bit more grippy, that probably would be a better idea. So something to keep in mind. I think it was more on the left foot than the right foot where I had that issue. But again, you can always change out your insole from the one that it has. And as far as the shoe, the sneaker in the rain, it is awesome. So it was raining and the water was coming right over my shoe, picked my foot up, and you could see how the water just comes right off the shoe. It doesn't even penetrate into the material, and your feet stay completely dry. Fantastic. So you're gonna have this all the way to the top of the shoe. So if you're walking through a flooded area, just as long as you're below this area here, you're gonna be fine. It's really great. And the shoe is really super, super comfortable. I could wear these just as a regular sneaker. Great. So again, if you are looking for a perfect shoe to go with you on your trip, your travels, to keep your feet comfortable, keep your feet breathable, and also dry, the Pacific sneaker is the way to go. So check it out today. Again, check out my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. If you have any questions, let me know. But Vessi did a great job on this one. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I hope your feet stay dry, but you definitely can count on Vessi to do just that with their fantastic Pacific sneaker. Take care.